Hey everybody, how's it going? So we got a quick unboxing slash bagging to do from Amazon. Picked up an item that I needed for the 4Runner, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so at the very beginning of this video, I'm going to let you guys know this was an item recommended to me by Timmy the Toolman. I'll leave a card up here for one of his videos that pertains to this. Or I'll probably leave one or two of his videos up here for you guys. Probably the ABS system 1 and 2, and the non-ABS video if I can find it. I'll link it up here so you guys can go check it out. The axle, I need to repress the retainers, the inner seals, the outer dust boots, aka seals, and put a new bearings in both axles, shafts on the rear of the 4Runner. I'm not going to be recording it. I'm just going to leave links up here for you guys to go check out Timmy the Toolman's channel, and I'll link his videos on that. This is an item that he recommends in those videos, and that was why I grabbed it. I'm probably going to be getting a couple more because using high temp actually doesn't always work. Sometimes using high temp actually makes the seals spin, which is not good, especially for the dust boot, because if the dust boot starts walking itself out, it's not going to protect anything like it's supposed to. So this is what I grabbed, is made by Rock and Roll Lubrication. It is the king of lubes, Red Devil grease. Keep out of reach of children. This is some really, really good grease. I saw that he was using it in the video. Most of his videos he's actually using this grease, especially when he's pressing something on. And I'm just kind of showing bits and pieces, pictures on Instagram and, stuff like that. I'm not necessarily going to be recording it. Timmy the Toolman did a great set of videos on the non-ABS model as well as the ABS models and what tools you could use. And it's just easier for me to give Timmy the shout out, link his videos in it, than it is for me to do another video. I will record this whole process of pressing the retainers on and off, as well as the tone ring and everything else when I do my brake conversion. I'm still trying to outsource. If anybody knows where I can get 2004 Mustang Cobra rear calipers and caliper brackets, let me know. That's what I'm still searching for so I can do the conversion. I'm going to be converting on the rear from drums to calipers and rotors. I still can't find and outsource the calipers and or caliper brackets. I have everything I need to mount the calipers and caliper brackets, including new brake lines and everything else, including flex line for the brake lines as well. Problem is I can't find the calipers, but in the meantime I need to get the truck back up and running. So just because I'm not doing the axle bearing replacement or the inner or outer seals or the dust boot or the brake shoes or anything like that at this time, because I'm repairing the drum system, don't worry, I will have a complete video on this. I just didn't want to make two separate videos of the same thing. The only difference is this video that I would be doing if I was recording it right now would be me putting the drum shoes back on. Where the next one I'm going to show pressing off the retainer in the tone ring, or the retainers in the tone ring, the snap ring, the bearing, removing the shroud from the actual bearing housing, and then we'll put all it back together, We'll put the, and then I'll also record at that time. I'll record doing the conversion as well as putting the brackets on, the calipers on, the rotors on, and doing all of that, including the brake lines and the new emergency cable that I'm going to be setting up for the calipers. I have all of that except the calipers and the brackets, but I don't want to record it twice. It's easier just to send you guys over to Timmy's video, because he is only doing this repair on drum systems, where I would rather be more in-depth and show you guys how you can do the pressing all the stuff off of the axle shafts, and then show you guys the conversion. It makes more sense to me. Let me know down below if you would rather see it this way as well. If you would rather see the drum setup, let me know. If you would prefer that I just support somebody else's channel on the drum setup, let me know. If you prefer me doing all the retainer and the press work and doing the conversion at the same time on the video, let me know. That probably will be like an hour video, if not more, depending on if I show both sides or not. But I just wanted to show you guys quick item pickup. It's Red Devil grease. Looks like this design is new, and that's what I grabbed this guy for, this Astro Pneumatic 3-ounce grease gun. I'm going to be packing this grease into this container, so that way I can push the button and squeeze a little bit out the tip, and then be more controlled on applying grease to the items that need to be pressed, which will make this a little bit easier to deal with. And this stuff is not, it's not as tacky. It's not as extremely tacky as like Red High Temp. So you can like wipe your finger on it. It doesn't like randomly just string for days. So that's why I grabbed this stuff. This is really good stuff. I've seen Timmy use it on quite a bit of stuff. So that's why I picked it up. So just a quick video. Let me know what you guys want to see. By the time you guys see this, I'd already done the drum system. But it will help me if you guys tell me if you would prefer to see how the drums and everything work. If you would prefer to see the press work for the drums. Who knows, it may take me well over a year to find those calipers. I don't know. I've been searching for a year now already, and I still haven't found a suitable caliper, to be honest. So if you guys know where I can get Cobra calipers for a 2004 Cobra Mustang, for the rear, I need the rear calipers and caliper brackets, let me know. If you guys can help me find those things, the faster I can get those, the faster I can do the conversion for you guys, and give you guys that content. I appreciate your guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJ Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I will leave a link to this on in the description below for Amazon if you guys want to pick it up. It is good grease. I've seen Timmy use it on crap tons of things, especially press work items. I'm sure this is probably for like bicycles or something. Not really sure. It's sold by a bike shop on Amazon. Bike World USA, they were very nice. I even, because the tracking didn't update for over a week, I sent them a message. They were very nice. They're like, you know what, we can replace it for you, no big deal. So that's awesome. This is the one I ordered. Randomly, the tracking updated randomly today. Said it was delivered. But they had already sent me another one. So we're going to have another container show up. They were very respectful. But like I said before, you know, Amazon, Acme Tools, all the affiliate links. Top of the description, I also have a Ulsa Tools link. Go check them out if you guys need anything from them. You get 10% off your order at Ulsa Tools when you use the link at the top. It also kicks me back 10% off my next order. I do appreciate your guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!